friends, thanks for joining me. Today I have received 2 more entries to my 4K giveaway. And this one is from Penny of Penny's Crafty Creations. Thank you so much, Penny, for joining my giveaway. I really appreciate it. Penny has written me a little note. Says, "Hi Jovi, this was a very fun challenge. I know you will be at 4K in no time. Thanks for hosting this challenge. Penny of Penny's Crafty Creations." And there's a little sticker on here and it says handmade with love. That's so sweet. I am looking forward to seeing what you sent me, Penny. Guys, I have been working on projects all day today, and actually not the paper crafting kind. My daughter and I just finished miniature book nooks. And I love how they turned out. I'm going to post some, well, by the time you see this, I've probably posted something. So anyway, I just want to share that with you. But let's, first of all, hold on. This is so adorable. Look at this. There's a little card here. It's probably an ATC. We'll have a look. There's a button here. Let me see if it, oh yeah, it's loose. Okay, oops. Let me go this way so we don't hurt the button. Look how cute that is, you guys. I love it. The dress form and the ferns and the button. It's so cute. And let me just make sure there's nothing personal. Okay, she has a P.O. box. That's great. So it's Penny's Crafty Creations, and she's on Facebook. She's on YouTube. She's got a P.O. box. Her birthday's in January. Her favorite colors are burgundy and sunset orange, and she has no set style of crafting. And let's see what she sent. Well, it looks like it might be something for a sewing journal, but let's have a look. This is so cute, Penny. I think this is a button. Yeah, I didn't want to hurt anything. Wanted to make sure. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Penny, did you make that with the snaps and everything? That's amazing. Look at this, you guys. I'm going to flip it over. But look how she made that. I love it so much. It's beautiful. And how clever with the snaps. That's so cute. She sent me 2 shiny, beautiful envelopes. Let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness, look, it's washi tape and it's got thread and scissors. Oh my gosh, how cute. And a needle and thread. Oh my gosh, how cute. Thank you. That's adorable. And let's see what's in here. What pretty envelopes you found. Oh, these are so cute. These are like little clusters. Oh my gosh, I love them, and I love the buttons on them. How cute. It looks like maybe you made a masterboard, Penny, and then cut them and rounded the corners. I'm not 100% sure, but look at these, and they have this on the back. How cute. Oh my gosh, I love every single one of them. Oh my goodness, they're beautiful, Penny. Thank you for those. Now we can see here that this unsnaps. I just love the snaps, Penny. I'm crazy about them. And then we have this. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. Oh wow, I love them. And the texture of these is really nice. Oh, they're so pretty. Thank you so much, Penny. Oh, I love them. They're beautiful. I'm going to put them back in here because I'm not sure when I'm going to get to the sewing one, so this will protect them. And then what do we have here? Oh, look at these guys. These are beautiful tags, ready for me to turn them into tags or little tiny booklets or whatever I want. Oh, fabulous. Thank you so much, Penny. I love this. You know, I never saw this sewing pattern paper before. That's nice. I love it. I'm going to pop this back in here along with this one. put this together and do the button, which is so cute. I love it so much. And then we have this one, and this is a tall, skinny tag, I'm thinking. Let me see if I can push it this way. There we go. Let's have a look without the plastic. Look, isn't it beautiful? It could be used as a bookmark, as a tall, skinny tag. It's been coffee dyed. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Penny. I really am thankful that you joined in. I really appreciate it. And I absolutely love what, oh, there's more. I was gonna say I absolutely love what you sent, and I almost missed this one. Let's have a look at it. It's so pretty. It's like the greens and the pinks are so striking, and it's just beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Penny. I really do appreciate it. And I'm going to pop these back in here. And then we're going to open up our next entry, which is from Gigi Hanna of Journal Gigi Hanna. So we're going to get into that in just a second. I just want to get these snaps on here. I'm just obsessed with these snaps, Penny. It's so cute. And this I will put in my ATC collection, so thank you for sending that to me. Now we're going to see what Miss Gigi sent, and I'm thankful to you, Gigi, also for joining my 4K giveaway celebration. And I'm so excited, and I already see this beautiful vintage card, and it's so cute. Let's see what this says. First, let's look here. That's so cute. Aww, what is this? Oh, this is so cute. It's buttons, and she cleverly attached it to the card with washi tape. Very clever. Says Jovi, it's always nice to think of you. Just a few little things that I found as I was cleaning my craft room. I'm so glad we are crafty friends. Here's to 4K and more. Blessings, Gigi Hanna. Thank you so much, Gigi. I appreciate that. This is so cute. A beautiful card. I'm gonna put that right there. Oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. I love how she made this. It's like a blouse. Look at that. It's got lace down here, and these are folded down. It's got this pretty little gem. That's so pretty. Thank you for that. Ah, perfect for the bird journal. I'm going to put this with my bird stuff, which is right here because I'm working on those right now. Oh, that's so pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh, everything for the bird journals. I'm glad I'm making two because I've received quite a few entries for the bird journal, and that's so nice that I'll have space to use all this beautifulness that you've sent me. Look at these stamps, they're so adorable. I'll have to definitely use these, so I'm keeping these out. Ah, thank you so much. I appreciate you thinking of me and joining in. It just means so much to me. And friends, if you want to join in, I am continuing my giveaway until August 28th if I get the journals done. If I don't, I may have to extend it a little bit further, but I am working on them, trying to work a little bit each day. So, but I'll keep you guys posted on that. But thanks so much, both of you lovely ladies. I truly appreciate it. And to you guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.